So I'm going to present to you today Sophia. We are a MedTech commercialization platform supporting MedTech companies, but actually anyone selling to the healthcare market and commercializing their product. My name is Paul. I'm a serial founder, an angel investor, invested in something like 20 startups, stopped counting at some point. And we, together with my co-founders Isabel and Robin, founded Sophia back in 2022. And we are on a mission of making healthcare intelligence accessible and affordable for young innovators, for startups and SMBs in the space, anyone here, so that those kinds of insights can be used to bring those innovations those companies bring out to patients faster. So every MedTech company goes through the same life cycle, starting from a development and R&D focus, from an approval focus, where the main question is, how can I innovate the most and launch to market the fastest, to a pure marketing and sales focus, where the question becomes, how can I get my innovations, my products out to the users, to clinicians, and then ultimately to those patients faster. And our mission is to support those companies on the second part of that journey and help them get those innovations out there. So, I mean, all of you have probably seen that chart. It's not new. And the big question always is, how do you cross the chasm in that journey, commercializing those products? And we see our mission in helping those companies make the initial jump, find those early adopters you want to speak to, find those initial adopters who then spread the word, bring your product to those patients, get initial results, and then go up the curve, finding an early majority and bringing the product out. But, I mean, that's easier said than it's done. As we all know, it takes a long time to actually succeed in those markets. On average, it takes something like 10 to 15 years for medical innovations to finally reach mass adoption in their respective markets. So we've asked ourselves, what can we do as enablers, as accelerators to build technology that helps those companies reach mass adoption a little bit faster and then ultimately have an impact at a faster rate. So one of the levers we are seeing is using data and actually making that possible. So we are leaning in towards supplying data and targeting solutions for MedTech companies to help them steepen that adoption curve. Get it a little bit further to the left and to ultimately enable them to bring those innovations out there at a faster rate. How do we do that? So our focus is, one little wheel in the system is to help provide really actionable insights. So everyone knows spreadsheet dumps and a data sheet there, a data sheet there. But what we want to do is to actually present that data, which helps those companies in a way that sales and marketing teams can actually use it for their commercial efforts and in the end, get the bigger bang for the buck they are spending on their sales and marketing efforts. That's not new. There are other solutions in the market doing that. But what we figured is that oftentimes the dinosaurs in the industry are pricing out younger innovators in the market. We are in a situation where many startups, and I've talked to many at this conference today, just can't afford spending top dollars for those solutions, leaving them with a weaker strategic positioning compared to the big players they are up against. And what we try to do is build a solution which is really powerful, but yet affordable, that startups can use it at an early stage and then can compete at par with larger companies who have big BI teams and big data science teams crunching their data all day. So that's what we've been doing, making that accessible for everyone. And today we're going to share a big announcement with you, as we've now launched our next evolution of our platform, now including all payer claims data for something like 80% of the whole healthcare market in our solution. And we're really confident that with this solution, we are now the most affordable, but at the same time, most powerful solution in the market, especially a good fit for those innovators out there who hopefully can use our solution to bring their products out faster. So thanks again for joining this session today. And if you're interested in that, get in touch, reach out to us, book a demo, and see Sophia in action. Thank you.